Welcome to the first JE class of maths. So today I have already given the PDF format of questions. So you go through that questions. So same questions I'll be solving now. So first question, I'll write the questions. Integral of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. The options are given: x plus 2 tan inverse x, minus x plus tan inverse x, minus x plus 2 sin h inverse x, and minus x plus 2 tan inverse x plus c. So how to solve this? So first we can write that 1 minus x square. So we can split what is 1 minus x square, that is in the form of a square plus b square, a minus b square, a square minus b square. So if we write that is a square minus b square, we cannot solve that. So we'll convert that 1 minus x square to 1 plus x square form. So first what we have to do is take minus sign outside, then the remaining will be minus 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. Again it should be in the form of 1 plus x square. So we can write integral of minus, so we can write minus 1 as 2 minus 2 plus 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. So this will be integral of, so we can write it as 1 minus of 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square, then minus into minus is plus 2 into dx. Then we can split this. When we split, the integral becomes integral of minus 1 dx then plus 2 divided by 1 plus x square dx. So this will be equal to integral of, this is minus x plus 2 tan inverse x plus c. 2 tan inverse x plus, so option D. So the first answer for the first question is option D. So the second question, so you can go through these steps carefully. What is that steps given? All the steps go through. So first you write 1 minus x square as you take minus sign outside and simplify. Then you write minus 1 as minus 2 plus 1 and write it as write 1 plus x square together and one more term together. So now that becomes, then split, you will get minus 1 dx plus integral of 2 by 1 plus x square dx. So integral of this will be minus x plus 2 tan inverse x dx, tan inverse x plus c, that is option D. The next question will be second one, integral of x minus a into x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2 into a, so on up to a to the power n minus 1 whole thing into dx, where n is a positive integer. So how we can write? When we multiply this, what is the value we will get? When we multiply x into x power n minus 1 is x to the power n. And when we multiply x into this x to the power n minus 1 into a, we will get x to the power n minus 1 into a, then and so on. So the last term is x into a to the power n minus 1 Last term x into a to the power n minus 1. Again when we multiply by a, we will get minus a into x to the power n minus 1. Then minus a square into x to the power n minus 2. And so on, minus a to the power n dx. Is a dx. So this is equal to integral of, we can cancel all these terms. We'll cancel all these terms. So the remaining terms will be only x to the power n minus a to the power n dx. So what is the integral value of these? Integral value of x power n is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus a to the power n is a constant. So a to the power n into x plus c. X to the power n integral value is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus a power n is a constant. So the integral value is constant into, that is the integral of 1 is a power n. So plus c. The option, which option is given in that? Option C. X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus a power n into x plus c. This is the second question. Third question will be integral of root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 1 minus x to the power 4 dx. 1 minus x power 4 dx. So how we can solve this? By looking at the question, we can think, we can split these terms. So we can write it as integral of root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 minus x power 4 plus root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 1 minus x power 4. 1 minus x power 4. So what we can do? Whole thing into dx. Whole thing into dx. So what we can do now? Integral of root of 1 minus x square divided by, so denominator is root of 1 minus x power 4, root of 1 minus x power 4. So we know that we root a b can be written as root a into root b. Root a into root b. Therefore, we can write root 1 minus x power 4 as, we can split that root 1 minus x power 4. But what is root 1 minus x power 4? We know that 1 minus x power 4, that is equal to 1 square minus x square whole square. So that is in the form of a square minus b square. So 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square. So this will be root of 1 plus x square into root of 1 minus x square dx plus integral of root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 1 plus x square into root of 1 minus x square dx. So 1 minus x square here we can cancel, and here 1 plus x square can be cancelled. So this is equal to integral of 1 by root of 1 plus x square dx plus integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. So what is the answer? What is the integral value of 1 plus x, root 1 plus x square? Root 1 plus x square integral value will be, so it is log x plus root 1 plus x square. Then this will be sine inverse of x plus c. So the answer will be log of x plus root 1 plus x square plus sine inverse x, that is option A. These are the steps involved and that is the extra steps. So to simplify this, root 1 minus x power 4, we can use that formula. So this is question 3. Next one. Next question is fourth one, integral of root x dx divided by root of 1 minus x. Integral root x dx divided by root 1 minus x. So how to solve this? Options are given: 2 into root x minus tan inverse of root x plus c, and next one 2 into root x plus tan inverse root x. Then option C is a 2 tan inverse x and option D is a 2 tan inverse x minus root x. So how we can solve this? So integral of root x dx divided by root of 1 minus x. So how we can solve this? So to solve, what we have to do is take or put root x equal to t. If root x equal to t, then this implies, then we have to find out the derivative of this. So root x derivative is a 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. So we have to substitute the value, or we wanted the value of dx. So dx is equal to, what we get, dx 2 root x dt, but again it is equal to 2t dt. 2t dt. Now substitute these values in the given integral. So we'll get integral of root x can be taken as a t, we have taken, and dx can be written as a 2t dt divided by root 1 minus x. So root 1 minus x can be written as, so it is not root 1 minus x, it is just x plus 1. So x plus 1 can be written as, if root x equal to t, then x square is equal to what? Or when root x equal to t, then x is equal to t square. So we can write root x is t into 2t dt divided by x is t square, or we can write it as a 1 plus t square. Now the integral becomes integral of 2 is a constant, 2t square dt divided by 1 plus t square. So anyhow we can write t outside or 2 outside, so 2 is a constant and it is 1 plus t square in the denominator. So to get 1 plus t square in the denominator or numerator is a t square, so we can write t square as adding and subtracting 1. So we'll get 1 plus t square minus 1 divided by 1 plus t square dt. So it is by adding and subtracting 1. So we can combine this 1 plus t square together. So this will be integral of, so 1 plus t square divided by 1 plus t square becomes 1. So 1 dt minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. So integral of 1 is a t because it is with respect to dt, so it is t minus 1 by 1 plus t square, integral value of that is a tan inverse t. So this is equal to t minus tan inverse t minus tan inverse t, but t we have taken it as root x, so this is equal to root x minus tan inverse of root x plus c. So what is the answer? Already we have kept 2 outside, so it is 2 times of this. So 2 times of, so it is a 2 into root x minus tan inverse of root x plus c. So it is option A. 2 into root x minus tan inverse root x, that is option A. So it is the 4th question. Next question is 5th one. Integral of dx divided by root x into 1 minus x. So integral of dx divided by root x into 1 minus x. So how we can solve these questions? So again here also we can take root x as a t. We can substitute root x as t, then we can simplify and then we can continue. So take root x equal to t. This implies what? 1 by 2 root x by differentiating. Dx is equal to dt and we want what is dx. So dx is equal to 2 root x dt or 2t dt. So the answer is 2, that dx will be 2t dt. Now substitute that value in the given integral. So integral becomes integral of dx or dx we can replace by 2t dt and root t can be written as a t and 1 minus x can be written as 1 minus t square. So t can be cancelled here, t can be cancelled, so we will get integral of 2 is a constant, 2 into dt divided by 1 minus t square. So what is the option? What is the answer? What is the integral value of 1 by 1 minus t square? The integral value of 1 by 1 minus t square will be, it is equal to 2 is a constant into half log 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t. So the integral value of 1 by 1 minus t square dt will be, 2 is a constant as it is, the value of this integral will be half into log of 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t. Now again replace t by root x. So this will be log of 1 plus root x divided by 1 minus root x plus c. So since it is indefinite integral, we have to add the constant plus c. So this is the answer for the 5th question. So that is the answer, option B, log of 1 plus root x divided by 1 minus root x. Next question. Next one is a 6th question. Next question comes, integral of 1 divided by x plus 1 into root of x plus 2 dx. 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 dx. So how we can solve this? How to simplify? So the first step itself, so write this x plus 1 as x plus 2 minus 1, because root x plus 2, the term will be root x plus 2. So to simplify this. If it is a substitution, there should be equal terms to substitute. So write x plus 1 as x plus, in terms of x plus 2. So this will be integral of dx divided by x plus 2 minus 1 into root of x plus 2 dx into dx. So after that, what we have to do? We have to take root x plus 2 as a t. Put root x plus 2 equal to t. If you take root x plus 2 is equal to t, then the derivative will be, or integral value will be root or 1 by 2 root x plus 2 dx is equal to dt. Is equal to dt. So dx will be, dx is equal to 2 into root of x plus 2 dt. So what we have to write now? Dx, we have to replace dx by 2 into root of x plus 2, and if it is root x plus 2 equal to t, then what is t square, or what is x plus 2? X plus 2 can be written as, what is x plus 2? How we can write x plus 2 as? If root x plus 2 equal to t, then x plus 2 equal to t square. So we can replace this x plus 2 as a t square. Now substitute all these values in the given integral. What we get? Integral of dx can be written as, 2 root of x plus 2 dt divided by x plus 2 can be written as t square minus 1, because it x plus 2 minus 1, so t square minus 1 into root x plus t is root x plus t, or we can substitute this t also. Then we can cancel these terms. So we are getting the terms, the remaining terms will be 2 is a constant, 2 integral of dt divided by t square minus 1. So 2 into integral of dt divided by t square minus 1. So what is the integral value of this? 2 is a constant as it is. 2 into 1 by 2 log t minus 1 divided by t plus 1. T minus 1 divided by t plus 1. So again resubstitute, we'll get 2 can be cancelled. Log of t is root x plus 2 minus 1 divided by root x plus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer for the 6th question. So which option is given? Option B, log of root x plus 2 minus 1 divided by root x plus 2 plus 1, that is option B. The next question will be seventh question. Integral of e power 1 by x divided by x square dx is dx. So what is the method to solve this? Here it is integral of e power 1 by x divided by x square. So what we can do is, it is in terms of e power. So we can see that here derivative of 1 by x, derivative of dy dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So here 1 by x is in to the power and it is 1 by x square. So we can write the given integral as integral of e power 1 by x into 1 by x square. But derivative 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So we can multiply or divide and multiply by 1 or minus 1. So it becomes minus of integral of e power 1 by x into minus 1 by x square. Now it is in the form of integral of e power f of x into f dash of x. What is the integral value of this? E power f of x into f of f dash of x will be, the value will be, the value is e power f of x plus c. So from that formula we can write the answer is minus as it is e power 1 by x plus c. So this is option B. So option A is given, that is plus e power 1 by x plus c, but option B is minus e power 1 by x plus c, so it is option B. So we have solved 7 questions. So go through these questions, see the questions properly, see all the options properly, and solve once again all the questions. Write down that questions in the notes and solve once again. Thank you.